blizzard of 2010.
She's watching a movie, but I don't know what it is.
There's only one way to eat an Eggo. Your way.
Oh, I've seen.
And
oh yeah,
canceled as well, right?
yeah,
Right, lots of
it's
things are
here, I
canceled
guess.
tonight. We do have roads closing down, especially
Yeah,
at
wait.
the northern end of the
Oh,
state
they're saying on
tonight.
2 News, the roads are
Quickly
canceled.
about the roads into Idaho. I know this is a big day for traveling, trying to get to your Thanksgiving destination. If you are trying to head north, you are most likely not going to make it to your destination anytime soon. We have I-84 closed from Snowville up to the junction at I-86 in southern Idaho. Also I-15 from Idaho.
Yeah, I'm gonna be limping all day.
Currently closed and is not expected to reopen anytime this evening. I-15 and I-84 in northern Utah from Tremont northward to the Idaho state line were closed a few minutes ago. They have just been reopened, but they have zero visibility at this point, and so travel is not recommended on those roadways. If you're trying to head up any of the canyons, Big and Little Cottonwood Canyons, chains or four-wheel drive are required at this point, and even a closure down towards southwestern Utah. We have Highway 143 closed down from